Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be reviewing the fifth tab in the standard event creation process, labeled Event Settings. The Event Settings tab is used to control event notifications that affect both you and your guests. We'll be covering all four sections in this tutorial, and begin with the RSVP date section located here. The RSVP date is a required field. An RSVP date and time must be entered when you create your events. The RSVP date triggers the following automated processes during the scheduling of your event. The RSVP date entered is used to trigger two gentle reminders via automated emails to your guests who have not yet responded to your invitation request. The first email reminder is sent 24 hours before the RSVP time expires. The second email reminder is sent 2 hours before the RSVP expires. When the RSVP time expires, your event will be closed for all availability responses. This simply means your invited guests may no longer respond with their availability to your event. Guests can still view the event details after the RSVP time has expired. The host will receive an automated email whenever an event RSVP time has expired. The host is also informed of the names of any guests who did not reply to the event. Please note that it's important that you either edit or confirm the date and time of your event promptly after an RSVP date has expired. In doing so, your guests can put your confirmed event on their calendar, and they can also free up any of the other suggested times you may have initially offered to them. The next section, located here, is labeled Private Event. When checked, your invited guests will not be able to view the names of the other guests you've invited, the availability response of each of the invited guests, or any comments posted by any other guest. Of course, as the host, you are in control of the complete scheduling process and can always see every comment and invitee response, regardless whether the private event setting is checked or unchecked. Create Now, Send Later allows you to create the event now and schedule the event invitation to be automatically sent to your guests at a later date. To auto-send an invitation, simply enter a date and time by clicking the green Enter Date/Time to Send button located here. Select a date, then use the time sliders on the right to select the time of day to send your event invitations, then select Done. There's only one rule to remember. The Create Now, Send Later date you enter must come before the RSVP date you've entered for this event. It just wouldn't make sense to close the event for responses before the invitations were even sent. To edit a previously entered time, just click the green Enter Date Time to Send button, make your adjustments, and click Done. If you'd like to remove the Create Now, Send Later time before it automatically sends the event invitations, just click the red Remove Date/Time button located here. To complete the Create Now, Send Later process, you must navigate to the Review and Send tab. When you've entered an auto-send date, the date entered is displayed here. Review the event's details, then click the green Confirm and Send Invitation to the Selected Invitees button located here. A confirmation dialog box is displayed, and you're given three options. You can send the invitation at your scheduled auto-send time, which is displayed here, by clicking the Send Invitation at the Scheduled Auto-Send Time option located here. Bypass the auto-send time and send the invitations to your guests right now by clicking here. To execute either of these options, you'll need to click the green Confirm Selection button located here. Or you can click the red Cancel button located here and return to the Events Review and Send tab. Please note that if you select the Cancel button, your event will not be sent now or at the indicated auto-send time. The send later time needs to be confirmed with this dialog box for the invitations to be sent either now or at the send later date you provide. Let's get back to the event settings page. I'll click the red Cancel button and then select either the yellow Previous button located here or the Event Settings tab. Our final section to review is the Notifications section located here. One of the best features of this program is that you are automatically notified via email of important event details throughout the entire scheduling process. For best results, we suggest leaving all of the notifications set to yes, but you can decide what works best for you. You can choose to be notified when invitees decline your event. When notified, you can decide if the guest is vital to the event or if you'll continue to host the event without the declining guest. You can also choose to be notified when no suggested times work for an invitee. It's important to understand the difference between a declined event response and a no suggested times worked response. Declined events mean the guest has no interest in attending this particular event. A no suggested times worked response means the guest would like to attend your event, but they aren't available for any of the suggested times you've offered. You can also choose to receive or not receive an email notification each time a comment is posted by an invitee. Comments posted might influence the scheduling of your event. If you leave this option set to yes, you will receive an automated email containing the event name, comment posted, who posted the comment, and the date and timestamp of when the comment was posted. The notifications listed here on the Event Settings tab are optional notifications that you, the host, may directly control. Again, for best results, we suggest leaving all notifications set to yes. Oftentimes, the Event Settings tab can be completed in a matter of seconds. The only required action on this tab is that you enter an RSVP date and time. Everything else on the page is optional. Need a quick refresher or reminder? Just mouse over a question mark on any page to view explanations, along with tips and tricks regarding the functions of that particular page. Click Next, Previous, or any of the event creation tabs located above to advance to a specific section in the event creation process. You can also save your event progress by clicking on the red Save Event Progress, Return to My Events button located here. All of your event information is saved and available to you at any future time. This concludes the Event Settings tab tutorial. Thanks for watching.